na hiyawan, as in malakas na may kasamang pagtalon. And here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an honor to present to you and to be the host of this big event in their lives. My dear friends, we are about to welcome the couple of the year, our newlyweds, atin silang salubungin na may pinakamalakas na hiyawan dahil narito na, live here at Savannah, our newlyweds, Ezekiel and Trisha Baeta Adel! Malakas na hiyawan! Hey, 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 hey! Once again, malakas na hiyawan na may kasatong palakpakan, Ezekiel and Trisha Adel! And gusto namin i-group hug nyo si Ezekiel at si Trish! Group hug! Jump, 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 jump! Hey, 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 hey! Sabi na nga, nire-reserve nila yung energy nila para sa pag-welcome sa inyo. Anyway, mga kaibigan, manatiling nakatayo dahil may din akong katanungan sa ating bagong kasal. Trish and to Ezekiel, anong nararamdaman nyo sa mga sandaling ito? Having these lovely people in your life, sabi ko nga kanina, it's weekdays, may pasok, medyo masamang panahon kahapon, pero andito silang lahat. Hello everyone! Tingnan pa mo! Have yourself here and have your best pose in 3, 2, and 1! Maraming salamat. Dito muna kayo sa gilid, please. Next in line is our groomsmen and the bridesmaids. We have Jasmine Coneje. Do I pronounce it correct? And also Arian Joy Coneje. Isang malakas sa palakpakan, everyone. And once again, here it is, Josper Conche with Arian Joy Conche. Have your best pose. Next in line, kasama rin natin, ladies and gents, David Yon and Shannon Grace Baeta. Also, we have, ladies and gents, Ruben Adam Mendoza and Kay Ann Baeta. A big round of applause as they rock the house here at Savannah. And have your final pose here tonight. Get ready. And here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Thank you. Kasama rin natin mga kaibigan, Gabriel Joseph Aden and Jessa Akuba. Lucas Hile and Hazeline Marie Hile. Hey. Nag-iisip na ko ng best pose in 3, 2, and 1. Napaka-angas, bro. Also, we have Luberdale Solamilio and Maria Teresa Vera. Come on, guys. Preparing ourselves for your best pose tonight. 2 and 1, best pose. Kasama rin natin, ladies and gents, Jonathan Dominguez and Jerzel and Wagpao. Yes, indeed. Have yourself here on our dance floor. Kilala ko na to. In 3, 2, pinakaangas. Go! Mag-ibig pa sorpresa. Kasama rin natin John Patrick Alino and Tonji Duran. Come on, guys. Once again, here it is, Tonji Duran and John Patrick Alino in 3, 2, 2, and 1. Napakaangas, bro. Pinag-isipan. Kasama rin natin, walang iba, Roger Ricafort and Limin Jr. Roger Ricafort, Limin Jr. and Stacy Marie Senori. Ikaway nyo naman! And have your best pose in 3, 2, and 1. Ay, napaka-angas naman doon! Kasama rin natin, ladies and gents, the kettle sponsor, Ryan Contreras and Lian Carla Ada. Cameras, everybody! Gusto ko yung energy ng mga nandun sa puno. I like your energy, guys. Hey! Get ready, guys? In 3, 2, and 1. Thank you so much, guys. We have our court sponsor, Joshua Miguel Aden and Jessa. Here they are. A very calm entrance. Yes, calm indeed. Pero may pasabog to. In 3, 2, and 1. Oh, sana all! And ladies and and here it is, the final pose in 3, 2, and 1. Thank you so much. Anyway, guys, dito muna tayo sa unahan. Alam